This is the intro
to the Love Job for Diamond Show.
Yeah.
Hi Sparkles, welcome back to my channel, Love Drunk for Diamonds. We have happy delivery, yay. So I did some order at this company, dreamstitch.top. So let's open it. I must say, I opened it a little bit because just when I started to record, I was thinking, where is the other stuff that I ordered? So I was a little bit confused. Let me put the box a little bit aside. Because I ordered different things by different companies. So I didn't remember from what company it is. So it's from Dream Stitch. Yes? So let's see. I ordered these clips. These plastic clips. I have 4 big ones. Let me open it to see. I'm sorry for the noise, but when we packing out stuff, we're going to make some noise, right? Happy noises. So, I have 4 of these, plastic. So now I can clip my fabric to the frame. And I have 6 little ones for little projects, right? So I'm happy with this. Yes. Plastic clips from Dream Stitch. So let's see what's in this box. Here we have this big box. We have a fairy brand. Hope you guys can see it. I did not have a fairy brand before, so I wanted to order a fairy brand, so I did that. It came in a nice box, as you guys can see. I like the box. Very nice. It looks very chic. It's a nice box also if you want to give somebody a present. So it's nice. Let's open it. Let's see what I ordered. Okay, let me take everything out. Order this one. I ordered some cute stuff. This one. Okay. Let's see which one we are going to order first. I want to see this one first. Oh, there's more things in the box. Uh-oh. Changing plans. We're going to open this little ones first. So I ordered this cute box. It came in a cute pink box with butterflies on it. Very nice. It's a needle minder. Very cute. Let me take it out so we can see. It looks very fancy. Woo! Fancy. So it is cute butterfly with flowers. I hope that I'm in the camera. Very shiny with magnets on the back. Can we take the magnets off? The magnets are not going off. How was this one sticking? Oh, with glue. Okay. I don't want to pull too hard because there's no magnets, but it's a needle minder. I'm thinking it must have magnets, right? Sometimes the magnets are... No, this not came with a magnet. It was sticking at the card with glue. Like so. So I have to find a magnet. I have a magnet here. This is my own magnet. So you can stick it to the canvas, to the fabric. Very nice. I love it. I love it, love it, love it. Yeah, very nice. So here I have some more needle minders to stick on your fabric. And these needle minders, I saw that if you buy a cross stitch kit, you can buy your matching needle minder. Isn't it cute? Did I really order two of the same? No, I didn't order two of the same. Why? Okay. I did not order two of the same, but I got two of the same. I put two different needle minder in my basket, in my shopping cart, so I don't know. But yes, it came with a magnet. Here is the magnet. You have 3 of them. So if you park, no, it's not 3, only 1 magnet. Why? This one also came 1 magnet. Do you guys know if it only comes with 1 magnet on the back? Because this one you cannot pull out, only this one. This one have no magnets. So this butterfly came with no magnets on the back. And this one came only with 1 magnet. But you have 3 strips for magnets. So I think that is not really so good. Can you guys see it? This one is sticking at the card, at the needle minder. So it's only 2 magnets. So I don't know if it's only come, it's the first time that I ordered this one. So I think if you have 3 places to put magnets, then you have 3, then it must have 3 magnets, right? So, and I got 2 of the same. But I know for sure that I didn't order 2 of the same, because I'm looking on my laptop now. Yes. So, yeah, why would I order 2 of the same, right? Okay, but I think it's nice. Do I have some needles here now to see if they stick? Let me see. Let me see if I can find some needles. Oh, I have needles here. I want to test it. Yes. Okay. The needle stick on it. Like so. So I have 3 needle minders. Yeah, so that is a little bit disappointing, I think, because I have 2 of the same and only 1 magnet on the back. Okay, let me put this one aside. Maybe they are somewhere, but it came in this plastic, so I don't think so. Okay, next one. I ordered this one. It's a cross stitch from CL. I hope I say it right. CL by colorful. It's a colorful checkered pattern, 14 count, pre-stamped, 26 by 32 centimeters. So I wanted to do something like this, something different. Let me take it out. Here's the picture. Here we have it have 18 colors. It have 18 colors. So here's the pattern. Okay. Okay, the pattern is clear and it's not so small. Can you guys see it? So it's good to read, right? These are the colors. So it's a small pattern, so it doesn't come with a lot of colors. Let me turn it. So it seems easy to do. And here on this side, we have some more. Beautiful colors. Oh, here we have some needles. It's you get 2 needles. It's number 26. Number 26 needle. Okay, okay. Let me see. Okay. The pattern is very light, I must say. So I always using my magnified glass. So then I can see it better. But the symbols are clear. It's light, but it's clear. It's have a big border here. The edges are, yes, it's good for the size. And the edges are serged all around. So it's not going to ruffle as you're working on it. Very nice, I love it. 18 color. It's doable, I think. Yes. I was checking for this one for a long time and I was thinking, should I order it, yes or not? Yes or no, but I wanted to do something like this. It's going to be very nice, I think. So, put this one aside. Let me see what's in this one. Came in a nice bag, pink bag. Very nice. It's something similar Quaker Rainbow Sampler. This one is from KK brand, counted rainbow pattern, gallery 14 counts. 55 by 48 centimeters with Egyptian cotton. Very cute, 14 counts. You guys see? Something different. I like it. From KK brand. I didn't have nothing from KK brand before. This is the first one also. Let me take it out. Okay, this is the booklet. Okay, it have a nice booklet and it came in the sealed bag also. So that's also very good. Let me see. Oh, the pattern is really big. If I do this one wrong. And this one is my, actually it's my second counted one. Because I want to try it. It's like, I feel counted cross stitch is like brain training. Training the brains. You guys see very big pattern. So you cannot miss. It have, how many pages does this have? 2, 7, 8 pages. Yes. So it's not like a really like a booklet because it's all loose papers. Let me see what's it. Here we have some information. Okay. 14 count, 16 count, 18 count. Let me see how many colors. Is there only 10 colors? Yes. Here we have the colors. 10 colors. Yes. Okay, very nice. Can you guys see it? So this one is have only 10 colors. This is the fabric that came with it. Now I must say there is no grid lines on the fabric. So when I'm doing this one, I have to look really good how to start it. It's not serged all the way. I think, oh, let me check it. Only on one side, I think. But it's a white, really white, clean fabric. It's only serged on this way. Is it serged? Yes. Only on this way, on this side. Only one side. So, this is really going to be a challenge. It's going to be really a challenge with 10 colors. Okay. I see some information here. It show you how to count. Let me see. Page 10, page 11. I need to figure this one out. Quaker Rainbow Sampler. I need to figure it out. Yes. This one is 14 count, so stitching with 2 threads, right? So, KK stitch. I love it, but it don't have grid lines, so I really must count. And I know you can make grid lines yourself. I saw some videos about that one. So I'm going to try it. I don't know when, but I'm going to try it. I love it. And it came in this beautiful pink bag also. So yes, I'm going to put it later. Okay. Let's open this one. This one looks very big. You have a little scissor here. Let me open it so we can check it. I have a pink one, a purple one I think, and this one is a black one. It looks sharp. This is the picture. I believe this one is a 9 count. It's beautiful. Yes. Here we have some needles, a lot of needles. Let me see. There is a lot of needles in here. 4. It's not so easy to count in this bag how much needles you get with this one. I must be careful that I don't lose the needles. So you got a threatener, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 needles. Okay, it's a lot of needles. Going to need it because I'm good at breaking needles. Okay, 10 needles, and here on the fabric I see more needles with 2 more, so you get 12 needles. Let me take it out. On the fabric there's also needles. Let me put it in the bag. Okay, 12 needles in total. Beautiful. Wow. I love it. So the pattern is very colorful. Okay, let's put the colors aside for a minute. Let's look at this one. The paper pattern. It's 187 wide by 380 high. And it came with 40 colors. Okay. It's a long one. Very long. There are symbols the same, but different colors. I hope you guys can see it. Must I zoom you guys a little bit in? Like so. 40 colors. And this is the picture here. It's like, it's a soft paper pattern. I believe that this pattern, you must not get it wet. So can you guys see it? So yes, I hope you guys can see it very good. Let me show you guys like so. Yes, it's very shiny, and the back of the pattern, of the paper pattern, is like glossy. Very cute. I love the picture. Otherwise I didn't buy it, right? And let me see for sure. I believe this one is a 9 count because it's very big. Oh, wow. It does not even fit all the way on the table, guys. Yes, it's not fit all the way. I'm sure, almost sure that this one is a 9 count because I ordered, and guys, I'm sorry, sometimes I don't even remember what I ordered. But this one, I think I ordered it separately because I don't see it in here. Okay, it's a good, nice print. Everything is very clear. Something fell on the ground, but we don't care. Yes, I think it's very easy. It's not that it have a lot of confetti and 40 colors. Okay. I think it's very nice. All these blues. I'm slide it down so you guys can see. Very nice. I don't know what it is these days. I'm ordering big cross stitch. Don't you guys think it's beautiful? I think these flowers are peony flowers or lilies. Very cute. I love it. And it's serged all the way around. This one is serged all the way around. Yes. I love it when it's serged all the way around. Because when I order a cross stitch, actually I don't want to go to serge it myself. It's good when it comes already serged all the way around. Okay, let's take a look at the colors. The beautiful colors. Look. All this purple. I love me some purple. And this blue, very nice. And the pink. And this dark blue. I love it. Yes. Here we have some more colors. Very nice. All these colors. Okay. Another new project to do. When you see the cross stitch, you want to start right away. But this one, I don't have a frame. I'm out of frames. And maybe I can do it in my hand. I'm going to do it like so. When I'm finished recording, I'm going to put everything nice, guys. Don't worry. Love it very much. I think this one is going to be very nice. Actually, maybe I can also like order that metallic gold thread to do these gold colors. I can do that, maybe. We will see. Very nice, very cute. So now we have another one. This one is a fairy brand. Okay, let's open it. It came with all these tools. Very nice. And I ordered these bobbins. Yes, by another company. So with this package, you're going to get these bobbins to do some parking, right? I saw Meow. I hope I say your name right. I saw her do this unboxing of this one. And I liked it so much. And I was thinking that is a must-have. You get scissors, all these tools that you get. Wow. You get this little tool. Oh, this on this side, it's a needle, it's a needle threadener on this side. Oh, and on this side, I always forgot the name of this one, but I know for what it is. Right? It's very sharp to put out stitches, to pull out the stitches. I know what it is. So very cute. Forget the name all the time. Some cute little scissors. Oh, I love the scissors. It's like pink. Metallic pink with a little bit of blue and gray. Let's test it. It's cutting. Let's test this one too. If it cuts. Yes, cuts. It's sharp, sharp. Very nice. Okay, here we have some needles. It's number 26 also. Yes. 26. And you get a lot of needles, I know. So you're getting a lot of needles with this one too. I'm not going to count it. You guys can see it, right? A lot of needles to do your cross stitch. And this is a needle case. Don't know how it's going to open, but don't want to pull nothing because pull it and you break it. Yes, I must figure this one out. So there's a needle case so you can put your needles in it. Very nice. These little tools that you get with this cross stitch. And these are the bobbins so you can do some parking. Put your floss around it, the thread, and flip it like so. So the floss stays in here, your thread. Okay, I got 3 of them. 2 green one and 1 transparent color. Very nice. All the tools that you get. Be careful with the needles. So let me see what we got here. So guys, I had to stop my video and start again because the kids came home, but we keep on going. So let's look at the booklet. The booklet, yeah, it's looking very nice, but only this thing is a little bit disappointing. Yes, for a brand like this. It's the booklet. The booklet is not disappointing. I think it's a nice booklet, but only this transparent cover. So let's see what we have here. Wow. We have here all the symbols together with a DMC code behind it. Yes. And we have some mixed colors. So this is a mixed color. This is a 16 count. And it have mixed colors and metallic colors. Right? So you have all your symbols together. Same symbols, but different color. Here are more symbols. Same symbols, but only different color. Okay. And here we have, let me see. From number 1 until 85, there are single colors until 85, you guys can see it. That are single colors. So you have your color chart here in this column, and with the symbols that's on the pattern, with the DMC code behind it. And from 86 until up to 163 are mixed colors. So this cross stitch kit comes with 163 colors. So here we have the pattern, the paper pattern. It's very nice. So it tells you this is page 1. Okay, the symbols on this paper pattern are clear. And I always use my magnifying glass, so I will see it. Yeah, it looks really, really nice. Okay. Good quality. Only this thing is not so good. But we know that already. Okay, let's put the booklet aside and let's see the fabric. The fabric came in this sealed bag. Plastic sealed bag. I like that. Extra safety. Let me take it out. Okay. Wow. It comes with a lot of floss. Let me put it aside for a minute. And let's see. Let's look at the fabric. So you guys can see it's a 16 count. It feels very soft. A big border. A big border here. So it's going to fit good in a frame too. Okay. It's 500 wide and 500 by 500. Big one. Okay, let's look at the fabric, the pattern, the symbols. So it's a 16 count, so the symbols are going to be a little bit smaller. But again, with this magnified glass, you're going to see the symbols very clear. And I think if I'm going to start this one, I will start to do the light symbols first. Ooh, this is so busy. Okay, here you have your symbols, your color chart. And here on the side, all your other symbols. Oh, this is really big. On this side, all your other symbols. It's very clear, very good readable. So it looks very, very beautiful. It feels like quality. It's not stiff. The fabric is not stiff. Yes, it's big, but it's not stiff. I like this. I never worked on, for me, this is a lot of confetti. It's a lot of confetti, but I think it's going to turn out very beautiful when this is finished. Yes. Never worked with a 16 count. 16 count, you're going to use two threads. I say it right because I saw that we have this. Let me look at this metallic floss. The metallic threads that came with this kit. So here we have the metallic threads. Very beautiful. It looks very shiny, guys. Let me zoom you guys in a little bit. Look how sparkling. It feels a little bit strange. A little bit stiff. Very nice. Very beautiful. I never worked with metallic threads before. So I believe it's very nice. And here we have some more floss. Let me put this one aside. We have some extra floss here. Look how beautiful. So you take, I think it's going to be like this. You take one strand out of this, for example, right? Just for example, you take one strand of this, take one strand of this one, put them together and stitch. Woo! Beautiful! So you get a lot of extra floss. Look at the details, guys. Beautiful. I love this ribbon. Details. It's all about the details. And it comes with plastic cards, so that's new for me. Wow. So that's new for me. I never had plastic cards before. They ordered by DMC code. Let me untie this ribbon. Look at the colors, how beautiful. I love me some purple. Very nice. The threads feels really good. It feels good. You feel that it's good quality. I feel like it's the same threads that I have with the KS brand. Egyptian threads. Wow. No, I like this. So I really recommend this one. If you want to order this, if you didn't know if you want to order it, yes or no, I would say go and order this one. You will be very happy that you have it. So, and here you have some empty spaces to organize other threads. Yes. So I'm very happy about it. It have everything that you want. It have a lot of colors, plastic organizers, numbered by DMC code. As you can see, it have metallic threads here. Let me put them here so you guys can see it. It have metallic threads. So you have everything that you want. I'm really happy with this order. I'm really happy that I bought it. Yes. Oh, the only thing is, what was it? Oh yes, it didn't came with needles. So that is a little bit disappointing. If you have an order like this, you want some needles. And it's a big pattern, so you Yes, you need some needles. And yes, if you are going to order this for the first time and you are a beginner and never did cross stitch before, then you don't have needles. Yes, guys, Fairy brand, this beautiful dream catcher. So I have one more thing that I have to rectify myself. This needle minders comes with only one magnet. I went back and looked at the description, so I was thinking, no, drunk love, you must come and rectify yourself. Yes? So don't do like drunk love, read the description. It comes with only, it have 3 strips for magnet, but it comes with only one magnet that you can put behind your fabric. Yes? And where is this beautiful butterfly? Here, the butterfly with flowers. They put 2 magnets on the back, so you can also use it, put it on your refrigerator. Yes, but if you want to put it on your fabric, you have to create or buy some magnets yourself, and so you can put it on your fabrics. Yes, and put your needles on it. Very beautiful. I love it. So I'm going to put everything on the table so you guys can see everything that I bought. This was my happy delivery. Yay! So guys, wanted to show you guys one more time all the things that I bought. Beautiful. This one is a counted one. This one is a printed one. I'm sorry, making you guys dizzy. My first KK brand. Some needle minders that I ordered. It's a little bit of pity that I have 2 of the same. I didn't order 2 of the same. It came only with 1 magnet on the back, as I show you guys in the video already. This one don't have a magnet on the back, with these plastic clips to clip the fabric. This one is my first Fairy brand, the dream catcher. You're getting these nice little tools with it. Yes, you're getting these nice little tools with it. It's a 16 count, and it comes in this beautiful box. Isn't it fancy? Little girl is standing here. So I must say, this is my order. I ordered all of this by myself. So I'm happy with it. So guys, thank you for watching. I must say thank you for watching. I'm very excited about this one because it's my first cross stitch kit with mixed colors and metallic thread. So excuse me about that one, but I will figure it out. It have a lot of colors. I love it. I love the pattern, and I love this one also. You get little tools.
Mom, can I say the last one?
So guys, thank you guys for watching.
And don't forget to like and subscribe for Mommy the video. See you to the next one. Bye, Sparkles.
Bye-bye.
This is the outro.
To the Love Drum for Damage Show.
Yay!